Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think you'll have to listen. Because...
Hi everyone, I'm Hyejin and welcome to my channel. Actually, I kind of feel like a new person with this whole new settings, new lights, and yeah, new year, new me, I guess. You will probably be seeing a lot of this content on my channel, and today we're here because I want to show you my updated daily makeup routine. I actually did a similar video last year, and since my channel is almost 1 year old, I wanted to do something that kind of commemorates the old times. So yeah, I will show you how I do my makeup on a daily basis, even though we're not actually going out. But yeah, I hope this can be helpful to a lot of people that use K-beauty, and yeah, let's go, let's start. Yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do is tie my hair, because they don't want to be in the way. I'm gonna style them later. Actually, I have a lot of trouble going on here because my period is near. I'm using Only Club Full Cover Tip Concealer in 2. This is actually a really good concealer, but what I noticed is that it oxidizes a lot, but never mind. It looks good, but in like a few seconds it's gonna turn yellow. It's starting to turn yellow or something like that, but it's okay because I'm JK. Yeah, okay. Wow. Anyway, the chair that I'm sitting on is so noisy. I'm not farting.
I am disgusted.
I'm gonna blend it in kind of roughly because we don't care. Actually, I do this when I'm on a rush. When I'm on a rush, I don't wear any cushion. I just put concealer on. That's it. I don't even like do this smallest effort to put on a cushion. I don't care. I don't know if it looks good or bad. Next, I'm gonna use John's Hemmore cushion in shade medium. It's so pretty. I love this. And actually in Korean it's really popular. Let's try it. It's new, as you can see. Hey, let's try it. Okay, wow. I thought this was really dark for my skin. Actually, it's not. Thank God. Gorgeous. Wow. I'm gonna go on the other cheek. Applying it on my neck too, just a bit. I think that my base is pretty much done. Actually, I'm really surprised with the coverage of this cushion. Wow, it's really good. I really like it. I also really like the fact that it's not matte, but it's semi-matte. Really love it. This is very famous also because of the, you know, drama True Beauty. Just very slightly to match my neck. I've been watching True Beauty lately, but I'm like in episode 5. But I really like it. I'm team Suho, by the way. I like Suho. It's not only because it's played by Eunwoo. I don't know, I tend to like Suho more than Sojun. Tell me in the comments if you're team Suho or team Sojun. There's a lot of people that don't like Suho. I don't know why. I'm gonna move to... oh yeah, eyeshadow.
Fucking dumbass!
I don't know, I used 2 palettes today. This is the Peach Sea Soft Mood Eyeshadow palette in Soft Coral. I'm using this soft brush to spread this base color. We like it messy. Now with the same brush, I'm using this shade here. At the corner and under the eye. Yeah, every time I film makeup tutorials, I'm like, what should I say? I'm always so quiet when it comes to doing my makeup, so I don't know what to say. Use this shade here on my whole lid to give, you know, that pop of color. Even though I noticed that Korean makeup is not so pigmented as European makeup, but I like it. I mean, I don't care. I don't like pigmented stuff because I don't want to go looking around like a clown. I'm gonna use the darkest shade to create a little bit of shade here because I'm gonna put eyeliner then. So just like a little bit. I want to use this dark red color as a point. I'm gonna use this because I'm gonna use darker shade of lipstick, you know. I wanted something that is more visible. I'm gonna create or better shade the Egg House with Etude House Bling Bling Eye Stick in Ivory Star. This is something that I always do, like to emphasize the cute look, just in the corner of my eyes and a little bit under to give, you know, to make them pop a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. Eyeliner. I use this MAC Queen waterproof pen eyeliner number 2 deep brown. I really love brown eyeliners because they're not so extra, so I can create a soft softer look. Eyeliner is so difficult for me. Yeah, I usually concentrate a lot when it comes to eyeliner because I'm always so scared that I would like fail and have to do all my makeup again. So okay, I guess it's kind of similar. I hope I'm gonna use this with my finger and just tap. So I guess we'll have to move to my favorite part, which is blush. I'm gonna use this Tracy E1. Oh, it matches my my background. I'm sad that I killed the healthy glow that my skin has, but it's okay. It's blush. The look is a lot warmer now, but it's still not enough for me, so I'm gonna use this rom&nd blush, which is the pear chip, something like this. I love to put this to give emphasis here. I can't live without blush. I seriously can't. Time for the lips, I guess. My favorite lip tint, which is the Milk Tea Bava Tint by rom&nd in Chocolate Tea number 2. This is so good. I love this lip tint. I could never live without it. I hope they never discontinue them. I guess that's the point of the whole look. My lips. It is so good. And then shade it. And last swipe. that's it. I'm going to do my hair real quick and I'll come back with the finished look. So I'm back with my hair done and my fringe, which really doesn't want to stay into place. And I hope that you liked my video and I hope that you find it helpful. Yeah, if you'd like, follow me on Instagram. I post photos of my makeup and pictures of my cat. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, like, and thumbs up, I don't know, anything, and subscribe to my channel to help me. I will be seeing you in the next video. If you have any suggestion of or something that you're curious of, please leave a comment below. Bye!
Feel